Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today, we're combining two of my favorite things, pasta and vodka. That's right, pasta and vodka. We're making an Italian classic, pasta alla vodka. Why? Because I'm hungry and I've run out of Pepsi, so I'm putting it in my food instead. I'm joking. This is an awesome recipe and I haven't made it for a while. If you don't like pasta, vodka, or cheese that actually melts, go and check out Gordon Ramsay's grilled cheese sandwich or something. Oh my God! Just look at it! That's absolute perfection that you're looking at right now. Step 1. Pancetta. In around 3 tablespoons of olive oil, fry 170 grams of pancetta over a medium-high heat until browned. Then remove to a bowl or plate and set aside till later. Step 2. The sauce. Start by frying a half of a large diced onion over medium heat until it begins to soften. Then, add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, stir, and continue to cook for 30 to 40 seconds. Next, add 2 to 3 heaped tablespoons of tomato paste and stir for around 1 minute until the onions are coated in the tomato paste. Now, add 400 grams of chopped Italian tomatoes and give it a good mix. Allow it to cook for around 1.5 minutes, and then add 250 milliliters of double cream. Give that a good mix for around 1.5 minutes, and then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Give it a mix and allow it to simmer for around 1 minute. Next, add 60 milliliters of vodka and stir for 30 seconds. Then, add 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter and mix until melted into the sauce. Turn off the heat and let the sauce sit for 10 minutes. Step 3. The pasta. In a pan of salted boiling water, add 250 grams of penne, or your preferred type of pasta. Cook the pasta until al dente, around 2 minutes less than it states on the packet. When 2 minutes from done, it's back to the sauce. Over a low heat, add some of the pancetta we set aside earlier, and mix into the sauce. Continue to cook for around 2 minutes, stirring regularly. Now, add the drained pasta into the sauce and stir for around 1 minute until the pasta is fully covered in the sauce. Finally, garnish the pasta with some fresh chopped basil, some pancetta, and some grated Grana Padano or Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Add a generous amount of the pasta to a plate and garnish with more fresh chopped basil, some more pancetta, and more grated Grana Padano or Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. This recipe is absolutely delicious. Trust me, you will not regret trying it. If you'd like to see more of my recipes, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.